In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete saved pins on Pinterest app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove a pin you no longer want to keep, and you'll understand what each step is doing so you can avoid deleting the wrong thing. Start by opening the Pinterest app. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your saved content. From the app's main screen, head to your boards. This is where all the pins you've saved are organized. If you have multiple boards, think about which board contains the pin you want to remove so you can get there quickly. Once you're looking at your saved content, switch to the pins view so you can see individual pins rather than just the board thumbnails. This makes it easier to find the exact pin you want to delete. Take a moment to double check the image and title so you're sure you've picked the right one. Now, tap the pin you want to remove to open it. You should see the pin in full view. At the top or along the edge of the screen, look for the three-dot menu. That menu is where Pinterest keeps extra actions. Tap the three dots to open the options. From the menu, choose Edit Pin. Even though you're planning to delete it, Pinterest puts the delete option inside the edit area. Tapping Edit Pin will bring up settings related to that specific pin, such as its board, description, and more. Inside the edit view, look for the delete option. Tap Delete. Pinterest will ask you to confirm because deleting a pin removes it from your saved items and can't be undone. This only deletes your saved copy. It doesn't remove the original pin from Pinterest for everyone else. When you're sure, tap Delete again to confirm. That's it. The pin is now removed from your saved items. If you don't see the change right away, refresh the screen or back out and re-enter the board to update the view. If the same pin was saved to multiple boards, repeat this process for each board where it appears. Labels and button placements may vary slightly depending on your device and app version, but the flow remains the same. Open your boards, view your pins, open the pin, use the three-dot menu, go to Edit Pin, and then delete and confirm. Thanks for watching. If this helped, consider organizing your boards as you go, so it's easier to spot and remove pins you no longer need in the future.